Let me show you how to place a strawberry inside ice cubes in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Select Lasso at the top. Create a loose selection around the strawberry. Open your Move tool, and drag it up onto the tab of the ice cube's background. Press Ctrl-T to free transform. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider of the underlying layer. Then click OK. Select the background. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Then drag the copy and drop it above strawberry layer. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to lighten. I'll decrease the opacity to 30%. And that's it. Hope you liked it.